Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we will take a look at how can we customize the main menu as well as the pause menu for your project. I've created this level where I copied the project from my main level. I've added directional light, a spotlight, rectangular light, and a level sequence. And this is very easy to set up. You may have seen my level here from the past where I have two villas, few lights, warm lights, cold lights, and when I click on play, that will show us a level sequence that I've made. So I animated some cameras around these projects here, and then we will see the main menu. And the goal here is to create a little beautiful wow moment when we first open the project. So I don't want my clients to open the project immediately and like be welcomed here. No, I'd like them to have a little moment. This is interesting. So that's the purpose of the main menu from my perspective. So here we have the ability to load the project. We have a gallery, we have a controls panel or the ability to learn about the controls. And we also have a panel that you can customize. It's the about menu. So you can set your project title, subtitle, or your company or your studio name, about you or about the project, and social media links and a link to your website, as well as additional links like send feedback or start learning today if you'd like to learn how this blueprint was made from scratch, these kind of things. Okay, now let's talk about customizing this and how we can set this up from scratch. So I'm going to delete my level blueprint. Let's open here. So the level blueprint is one of the main uses for it is when we create a main menu. So now, if I deleted all the blueprints here, if you click on play, nothing is going to happen. So what you need to do is the following. You need to open your level blueprint, and from event begin play, we need to create a widget. So just simply click and drag and search for create widget, then add that widget to viewport. And the widget in question is the main menu. So if you click on the class here to search and type main menu, you will see widget blueprint start main menu. That's step number one. Now, if we click on play and wait a second, this will show us the main menu, but we still cannot see the mouse, and in a way we don't want to look around. So for that, here's what we need to do. We need to get the player controller, okay? And we need to find show mouse cursor, and we need to set it. So we need to set this to true because we want to see the mouse cursor. That's one. And two, you want to create a reference to your sequence in the level. And the way to do that is basically once you create your cinematic sequence, here I only have one shot, but you may want to create 4, 5, 10 shots, depending on how long you want the sequence to be. And once you do that, you can click and drag and release the sequence in your world. Then click on the sequence and let's go to our level here and right click and let's create a reference for our sequence. Now, what we need to do is to simply search for looping animation or play looping like so and connect this here like so. You can set the number of loops or you can keep it to infinite if you keep this at -1. Now let's compile and let's save. Okay. Now to customize the main menu, let's search for it. So it's under Blueprints, UI, Panels, Main Menu. Here you will find the main menu and the pause menu. Let's open the main menu first, and you will find on the left the hierarchy. You will find the main menu and you will find the controls and the about panel. Usually they're hidden or visible, it depends. So the controls panels, I will keep update this as I add more controls, and the about panel is for you to customize. So if you click on the about panel and click on edit widget blueprint UI about, this will open the about panel for us, and you can select the text, edit it, select the title, edit it, and select any specific button, and then go to events on clicked and click here to edit the URLs. So here we have a URL for my website, for our LinkedIn page, for my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. And close, keep it at close. And here I have two other buttons where this will open the blueprint course page as well as the ability to leave feedback, template, and the project. So you can customize all these. And that's about it for the about panel. So let's close this. Now, load the project. This is very important button and you need to set it. So let's scroll to events on button clicked and click here and on the load level. So this is the button to load the project. I already have this. So you need to set the level name to your level. Right now, this will set for the level demonstration, which is our level. So if you have a different level name, you need to set here your level name. Now, that's it, almost. In the pause menu, we have the ability to go back to the main menu. So you can keep this or delete it if you want, it's up to you. And here, if you want to go back to the main menu, in my case, I want to be able to go back to the level underscore main menu. So let's go to events on button clicked, and let's make sure that you set the correct name of the level you want to open of your main menu level here. Okay? Okay. Now let's test this. So I'm going to click on play. And as you can see, this will play the animation for us. This will play the user interface for us as well. And now if I click on load the project, give it a couple of seconds, and that will load the project for us. It works, it just works. So if I bring my taskbar, I go to surroundings, city landmark, filter search, start clicking on apartments and so on. So I explore the project and everything. And let's say I want to display that beautiful environment. If I am in exhibition, for example, and waiting for someone to click on start, so I would bring back my main menu, the pause menu, and then I will return to the main menu. And this for sure will spark curiosity for people if you are in a sales room or an exhibition and so on. So people are waiting to load the project. All right then, so let's load the project one more time. And as you can see, it just works. We can zoom in, we can customize, and everything is nice. As always, I really hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.